So now we are going to discuss about the page replacement algorithm. There are three main types of page replacement algorithm. So the first one is the first in and first out. The page which comes into the memory need to be replaced first. So whenever the main memory is full, the process want to execute. So the new that the needed pages is not available in the main memory. So it should be taken from the secondary memory and load it into the main memory. If at the time there is no free space in the main memory, so we need to replace some pages of the main memory, and we need to put that new page in the main memory. So how we need to replace? For this, there are some algorithms. The first one is the first in first out algorithm. So which page has been entered into the main memory first, that need to be replaced first. Okay, so consider this the reference string. So these are all the pages we are going to work with. Okay, so the main memory is divided into three frames. So at a time only three frames can be available in a main memory. Okay, now consider, so I divide that main memory into three frames. Okay, so now page 7, the processor need to execute process the page 7. The page 7 is not there in the main memory, so there is a page fault. So the 7 has to be loaded into the main memory. Next to the page 0, the page 0 is also not available, so there is a page fault. The page 0 has been loaded. Next there is a page 1. The page 1 is also not available, so there is a page fault. So the page 1 has been loaded into the main memory. Next, now the memory is full. All the three frames has been occupied by some pages. So now the page 2, the processor needs page 2. The page 2 is not available in the main memory, so there is a page fault. We need to, at the same time, the main memory is also full. So we need to replace any one of these pages to keep this page in a memory. So as per first in first out algorithm, the page 7 came first, it need to be replaced. So the 7 has to be replaced by the 201. Next, the page 0 comes. The 0 is already there in the main memory, so no need to, there is a page fault. Next page 3 comes. So out of this 201, the 0 is for long time came first, so you need to replace that 0 by 3, so 1. Okay, next page 0 comes. The page 0 is not there in the main memory, so again we need to go for replacement algorithm. So here 2 out of the 2 3 1, the 1 is for 1 came first, so you have to replace that 1 by 0. Okay, so the next page is 4. The 4 is also not available in the main memory, so here out of the 230, 2 came first, so you need to replace the 2 by 430. Next to 2, the 2 is also not available in the main memory, there is a page fault. So out of that 430, the 3 came first, so you need to replace that 3 by 2, that is 420. The next one is 3. The 3 is also not available, so we need to go for replacement. Out of that 420, 0 is for long, 0 came first, so you need to go for, replace that 0 by 3, that is 2 3. Next is 0. 0 is not available in the memory, so out of that 423, which came first, 4 came first, the 4 need to be replaced by 0, that is 0 2 3. So now next one is 3. The 3 is already there in the main memory, so there is no page fault. 0 is also there, so 3 is also already there. For this 3, there is no page fault as it is already there. Next 2 is also already there in the memory, there is no page fault. Now 1 comes, so we need to go for page fault. So which came early out of the 0 2 3, that is which came first, 1. So the 0 1 3. Next 2, the 2 is also not available, there is a page fault. So we need to go for a replacement. So out of the 0, 1, 3, the 3 came earlier, so came first. So it is, you need to replace. So in 0, 0 is already there. There is no page fault. Next to 1, 1 is already there. There is no page fault. Next is 7. 7 is not there. So there is a page fault. We need to go for replacement. Out of the 0, 1, 2, which came early? 0. So 7, 0 need to be replaced by 7. Next 0. So again there is a page fault. So we need to replace, that is, which came early? The 1 came early. So 1, 0, 2. Okay. 702. So next the page 1 comes. So again the 1 is not available. So there is a page fault which need to be replaced out of 702. The 7 came early out of this. So it need to be 0, 2 need to be replaced by 1. So now all the pages has been over. Now we need to find the number of page fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So number of page fault is 15. If we are using the first in first out algorithm, so the number of page fault is 15 for the given string and the given number of frames. Thank you.